How do you build a wraparound porch? Let's check it out. Got these big old posts, put them into the cement. Down here you can see we put on a little header board with all of our studs going across here. The stairs that you wrap around, you just kind of put them in place. You don't want to overthink this kind of stuff. So we've got some stringers. We just cut these out. You can see this one got busted. So we just put in a little extra step there. Hello, Garfield. Hello, Garfield. What's up, buddy? And then we need to face this, right? So we're gonna hide some of our handiwork that's a little less than professional. But what I've done is taken this at an angle. This is tied into this stringer and goes to the other one, comes across here. Here's your corner piece so that when you step on the corners, it's nice and flat. We've got our stringers, so we put 4 stringers across the front. When you face it, make sure that you've got good support across here so these things don't tip either direction. And then this is the side that is still a work in progress. Hopefully we'll get this done soon. The stringers are resting on these pavers. I've got some shims underneath it because they weren't at the right angle from up top. You put the posts directly into the concrete. You adhere this to the ground with a bolt, and then the bolt goes up and through, and then you screw your post into it. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do that someday, but it holds up pretty well. You were framing with your studs going across. And just screw these in. There's actually a big old concrete pad underneath here. And the concrete pad was totally cracked in the middle, so all the water was coming back toward the house. So I put in a few bags of concrete, made this little retaining wall thing so the water can flow out and away. And then the last thing to mention is that, except for these posts, it's not super perfect, but this entire patio, the sides for the posts, that post, yes, junk wood. Okay, so this is all reclaimed material. That's why the wood looks a little bit weathered and old. We'll stain it. It'll look beautiful. I cut these. You can see they're white. These came out of an old garage, and we just nailed them and screwed them together. Wrap around porch. Put a couple stringers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just overlap the wood going back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, like I said, this is a work in progress, but you can see you just get some good angle braces in there and you're off to the races, or maybe you're off to enjoy some sweet tea. Make yourself a nice place to relax.